Yeah, hi. So this is the website when where you can do the registration. So if you can put this link, the website will open and you can see here the register button. First, you need to do the GitHub authentication. Let me share this thing with you. First, whenever you will open the website, first you need to sign in with the GitHub. So you can click on the sign in. Yeah, then you need to authenticate with GitHub. Yeah. So after authenticating with GitHub, you can see the register button here. So you can see all the registration that are ongoing here. Mentee, which is participant registration, mentor, and project admin. So if you are enough capable to register as a mentor or project admin, then you can do there. But I am sharing you the mentee registration, which is for every participant. So if you click on the registration, then the link you can see this is slash mentee route. You can directly put it in your web browser and open this page. You need to enter all the details here properly. First the first name, then the last name, then the mobile number, then the Discord username. Mobile number I am just putting a random thing. You need to put your real mobile number. Then the Discord username you need to put here. Only the username you need to put, and where you can find the Discord username, I am also sharing that thing. You need to open the user setting, and here you can see the username is this lm underscore 10110. So this is the Discord username, lm underscore 10110. Then you need to enter the proper address here, wherever you belong. Then you need to enter the LinkedIn profile here, then the Twitter username, but this is not mandatory. And here you need to enter the referral code, like the referral code you got from your organization or from the evangelist you have in your connection. So you need to enter the referral code here. Then you need to check all these things. You need to read the rules and guidelines for the clarity of the event, and the code of conduct also for clarity of the event. And this is the mandatory thing. To get the acceptance mail, filling this form is mandatory. So you need to fill this form also. Like I have already filled the form, that's why it's not showing here. Let me open in a incognito tab, then it will show, I guess so. Yeah, so this is the form. For that thing I need to sign in, but yeah, this is the form here. You can see, without signing I can't share though, but you can see here, you need to enter the name. You need to start the two repositories here, and you need to enter the GitHub ID of yourself. Here the GitHub profile link, you need to enter it, and then you need to submit the form. This is mandatory to get the acceptance mail. So after you have filled the acceptance mail, check this box also and submit it. After submitting, one pop-up will come here that you have successfully registered and the registration is completed. And you can also join our Discord from either this keyword or clicking in this button. And after you have submitted, you can come to your profile, and here you can see your mentee profile. Like this is my mentee profile, this is my number, all the things. My GitHub, LinkedIn, Twitter will be available here, and there will be also showing that from whose referral I have joined. So I have just tested myself with my referral code, and my name is coming here. So this is the main registration thing.